Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy breakfast. So to pancake batter, you're going to add cinnamon, nutmeg, and some ginger. Mix it all up and cook in the pan with butter like normal. Next, we're going to cut up some scallions, baby tomatoes, and a shallot. You're going to saute in the pan with salt and pepper. Next, you're going to season your eggs with milk, onion powder, garlic, and seasoned salt, or you can season it how you want and just mix it up with some milk. Then I'm going to cook my eggs in the pan with a little bit of olive oil and butter. When it's halfway done, add your cheese and your veg. Flip the other side over and plate it. There you go. You have your 3-spice pancakes with a veggie omelet. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye.